In today's viral Ecom Adz review, we are going to take a closer look at all of the different features, use cases and upsides of using viral Ecom Adz. Now, viral Ecom Adz basically is the industry leading video editing company when it comes to dropshipping and ecom, and in the past they've actually worked with quite a lot big name and well-known guys in the industry like Sebastian Georgiou, Hayden Bowles, AC Hampton and a lot of other ones. And now basically with viral Ecom Adz, you're going to get all of the different ad packages that you could basically dream of. So basically this is going to involve video ads, image ads, UGC ads, as well as animation ads. And viral Ecom Adz is also going to offer a VIP membership, but more on that later on. This is super powerful. Now basically as for the video ads right here, you are going to have different kind of packages depending on your needs. So basically the ones that I want to highlight would be this split testing ad package right here. Basically with this split testing video ad package, you're going to get 4 ad variations for your product. And now this package right here would be targeted for Facebook ads. So you can then actually run a Facebook campaign with this, and you are going to get 4 ads for your product to basically then just split test these to find the best converting one and to basically just reduce your ad spend. Now, with viral Ecom Adz, you are going to get super fast delivery times. As you can see, the overall delivery right here is going to be 1 to 3 days. And actually, all of the ads right here are going to be proven to convert. Now, viral Ecom Adz actually have generated over $30 million in sales for all of their customers, which just makes this a super easy and super safe way of testing out new products. Now, basically, if you're going to test your products with bad or stolen content, you are going to significantly reduce the chance of you actually getting success with dropshipping, and you can actually also encounter account closures, and you are most likely also going to waste a lot of money in ad spend. Now, as for the video ad package right here, basically if you do want to order this is super straightforward. You will just have to first of all place your order. Now additionally, you can add some add-ons onto this, like in this case for example we could add a thumbnail and a GIF onto this, or we could also add a voiceover if we do want to. Now as far as the pricing goes, as you can see, this right now would cost $80, with the VIP membership way less, but more on that later on. However, if you do want to save you some money, you can actually use the link down below, which will basically give you guys 15% off using the code KRAUSE. Okay, now basically once you've placed your order, you're then going to get a submission form where you will just have to put in your product and so on, and you are then going to receive your video once again within 1 to 3 business days. And then if you do have basically any complaints about your packages, then you can actually always get revisions for these ad packages, and you are going to get unlimited revisions, which is super powerful. Now let's just quickly go over some examples. As you can see right here, these would be Facebook ads. Then we also do have some example for the combo video ad package, or we can actually also see some TikTok video ad packages.
Have you ever seen those mesmerizing LED light painting and wondered how it's done? The secret's out.
So as you can see, overall super good stuff. Now, as far as their TikTok ad packages goes, these are actually also super powerful. So let me just quickly navigate to this right here. As you can see, they are going to offer you a TikTok split testing package with 3 ad variations. And if you are going to promote your product with TikTok, which I think actually is one of the best ways to do so, then this is going to work great, as you're going to get different kind of videos to once again split test them. And the same goes for video ads, and basically their image ad split testing package is going to give you 5 ad variations for your product, which you can then use for all sorts of different image ads, basically on Facebook and so on. Now, one other thing which I actually want to highlight is their VIP membership. So basically with this VIP membership, you are going to get up to 75% of all of your orders, and on top of that you are going to get a 24-hour delivery. So as you can see, the split testing ad package from beforehand now would only cost $15. Now the TikTok split testing package only $12.50, and on top of that you are also going to get a lot of other great features, which in my opinion just makes this VIP membership a no-brainer if you do want to actually take dropshipping serious. Now, anyways, if you do plan on using viral Ecom Adz, you can do so by using the link down below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.